Noontime, June 30, 2010, and this is my first term as Congressman of the Lone District of Navotas, Your Honor.
For the record, Mr. Witness, can you just please state your name?
I am Tobias M. Tiangco of 90 M. De Vera Street, Navotas City. Tapos na, nag-oath na ako, boss.
Yeah. And Mr. Witness, for the record, what district do you represent?
The Lone District of Navotas City, Your Honor.
This is the fishing capital of the Philippines, am I correct?
Fish trading capital of the Philippines. It used to be the fishing capital, but it's now the fish trading capital, Your Honor.
And Mr. Witness, what is the estimated population of Navotas?
During the census of 2007, I think it was over 250,000, more or less, Your Honor.
Prior to being a congressman, Mr. Witness, have you occupied any other government position?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ano po yung mga position na ito?
Ako po ay naging acting mayor from June 30, 1998 to February 1, 1999. Ako ay bumalik sa pagka-vice mayor from February 1, 1999 to May 2000, at nung namatay ho yung nakaupong mayor, ako ay nag-assume ng post ng mayor ng May 2000 hanggang 2001. Tapos ako ho ay tumakbo ng mayor ng 2001, 2004, and 2007, Your Honor.
Napakahaba po ng inyong pinagsilbihan sa inyong bayan ng Navotas. Tingin ko'y mahal na mahal ho kayo ng mga Naboteños.
Yes, Your Honor. Diyan na ho nag-table ko.
There's no question there. May we ask that be straight from the...
No, wait a minute. Counsel, proceed. You're on direct examination.
Yes, Your Honor. Mr. Witness, you mentioned that you are a congressman, a first-term congressman. Are you familiar with the duties of a congressman?
Yes, based on the rules of the 15th Congress, I am familiar with our duties and responsibilities, Your Honor.
And what are your duties as a congressman?
Mainly, it's legislative work. It's attending, if you will define legislative work, most of the legislative work is attending committee hearings and, of course, in the afternoon, attending plenary sessions, Your Honor.
Aside from these activities, are there other activities that you participate in as a congressman?
Formally, none, Your Honor, but there are other informal functions and other informal meetings, Your Honor.
What are these informal meetings? What are they called?
Social gatherings, caucuses.
Ano po ba itong caucus? Yung sinasabi niyong caucus, ano po yun?
Doon ho sa House, ang caucus ho is a private meeting of a group of people depending on what type of caucus. No? Depending kung anong caucus ang sinabi. Pag sinabi ho all-member caucus, ibig sabihin ho caucus ng lahat ng membro ng House. Pag sinabi ho all-majority caucus, yan ho ay caucus ng lahat ng membro ng majority. Pag sinabing minority caucus, yan ho ay pagpupulong ng mga miyembro ng minority. Pag sinabing party caucus, yan ho ay caucus ng isang partido. So, depende ho kung anong klaseng caucus po, Your Honor.
Ano po ba ang ibig niyong sabihin sa majority sa Kongreso o mayorya?
Base ho sa aming rules, yung hong mga miyembro na boboto sa nanalong speaker, yun ho ang mga miyembro ng tinatawag na majority. Yun naman hong boboto sa susunod o sa number 2 ay yun ho ang mga miyembro ng minority.
Nabanggit niyo po na yung pong caucus ay isang private meeting. What do you mean by that? That it's a private meeting?
It's a private meeting in the sense na kung kami ho ay nasa committee, meron hong roll call at may agenda. Kung kami ho ay nasa plenary, meron din ho nagsisimula ang plenary, siyempre sa pagkanta ng national anthem, sa pag-invocation, roll call, tapos order of business. So meron hong agenda. Sa caucus, minsan ho, wala hong formal advice at wala hong agenda na sinasabi. Kung minsan ho, sasabihin sa amin, there is an all-member caucus. Sasabihin, o makakatanggap po kami ng text na there is an all-majority caucus. Ganun ho. Pero wala hong definite agenda kadalasan ang caucus.
Sinabi niyo po kanina na bilang congressman, kayo po ay umattend din sa mga caucuses, ano? Ano po bang mga caucuses itong na-attendan niyo na?
Ang huli ko hong na-attendan caucus ay yung all-majority caucus noong December 12, 2011 ho. Kami ho ay nakatanggap ng text message nung siguro 6:30 to 7 p.m. ng December 11 galing ho kay Attorney April. Siya ho ang sekretarya ni Speaker Belmonte. Ang natanggap ko hong text message is there will be an all-majority caucus at 2:30 p.m. tomorrow at the Andaya Hall. Pero wala hong agenda.
Wala pong agenda.
Opo.
Ito pong pagtatanggap niyo po nung text message na ito, no? Na meron kayong all-majority caucus. Meron po bang nabanggit kung ano po ang tatalakayin dito?
Already answered, Your
Wala po.
Already answered, Your
Yes, Your Honor.
Ano po naging, what was your reaction, Mr. Witness, to upon receipt of this notice?
Wait, Your Honor, because he's making me laugh, Your Honor. ang una kong reaction noong natanggap ko po yung notice na magkakaroon ho ng all-majority caucus ay medyo kinabahan ho ako dahil nung araw na yun, may mga ugong-ugong sa text din na magkakaroon ho ng impeachment kay Chief Justice Corona. So, ayoko hong, I was hoping against hope na sana hindi yun ang pag-uusapan doon sa all-majority caucus. Sabi ko ho, sana RH bill na. Ngunit parang hindi pa pwedeng RH bill kasi kung RH bill yun, dapat all-member caucus. So parang sabi ko, mukhang ang pag-uusapan dito ay yung impeachment ni Chief Justice Corona.
Mhm. Ano po bang mga preparasyon ang ginawa ninyo bago dumalo sa caucus na ito?
Ang preparasyon na ginawa ko is I tried to psych myself up, no? Pinilit kong pilitin yung sarili ko na kung sakaling impeachment ang pag-uusapan, pikit mata na ho akong boboto ng yes sa impeachment.
Bakit po?
Tatlong bagay ho. Unang-una, masama ang naging experience ko noong hindi ho ako bumoto ng yes sa impeachment ni Merceditas Gutierrez dahil yan ang number one. No? Number two, alam ko may numero na eh. So bakit ka pa hindi boboto? At number three, ayoko hong mapag-initan o I don't want to catch the ire of the most powerful man in the country who has a very high popularity rating, and that is the President of the Philippines. No? Alam niyo, 9.5 years, kalaban ko si GMA from 2001 and 2010, and the President can make life miserable for you. With the vast powers given under the Constitution, pwede hong maging miserable ang buhay ng isang tao pag kinalaban, pag hindi kagusto ng Pangulo. So for those three reasons, sabi ko, ayoko na ng gulo, I will just psych myself up to vote, no?
You mentioned na nagkaroon po kayo ng masamang experience sa impeachment ni dating Ombudsman Merceditas Gutierrez. Ano po itong masamang experience na sinasabi ninyo?
Ang impeachment ni Mercedes Gutierrez, kung matatandaan ko ho, is March 21, 2000. Your Honor, can I get my notes just to make sure of the date?
Your Honor, the witness is asking permission to refer to his notes so that
Go
he
ahead,
could
go
get the
ahead,
date exactly.
The witness is authorized to refer to any material that he has.
Your Honor, the witness, Your Honor, is going over his notes.
Yes.
Let the record show that.
Yes, Your Honor.
Proceed.
Your Honor, March 21 ho, pinagbotohan ho yung impeachment ni Mercedes Gutierrez. Noong Sabado ho, before March 21, so ang ibig sabihin ho nun is March 19, may mga kumalat na text messages allegedly coming from June Abaya, Chairman June Abaya, na sinasabi yung mga boboto ng no sa impeachment ni Mercedes Gutierrez ay zero as in zero sa PDAF, no?
Your Honor, we have to object to that because the witness is testifying on a text message.
No, Your Honor, but let me proceed.
I will answer. The witness may answer.
No, but that is just the introduction, Your Honor.
There is already a ruling, Mr. Witness.
Based on the journal number 65, March 21 of the House of Representatives, Your Honor.
Bago po kayo magpatuloy, let me just propound the questions, Mr. Witness, so that we will have an orderly narration of the events. There are two things that I want you to clarify first. First, you mentioned Mr. June Abaya. Who is Mr. June Abaya?
Ang chairman ng Committee on Appropriations, June Abaya. So meron hong supposedly text message na nanggaling sa kanya na yung boboto ng no sa Mercedes Gutierrez impeachment ay zero as in zero sa
Your
PDAF.
Honor, that's hearsay, Your Honor.
Ito pong-
We object to the being
Let
hearsay.
the witness answer.
Ito pong committee on appropriations, saan pong committee ito?
Committee ho ito sa House of Representatives. Okay. Kung papayagan niyo ho ako para patunayan ko kung hindi hearsay ito,